guys, so I feel very Christmassy with this jumper. Popped into Sainsbury's, obviously did a food shop, and also picked up some homeware bits in there. Homeware and stationery. Yeah, these new bed sheets for all the boys. I looked everywhere for bed sheets, like literally no one was, like, I didn't find any satisfying bed sheets. The person had a nice bed sheet with Sainsbury's. So also it's nearly time to decorate for Christmas, but before that I wanted to just go around and like clean the house for like some Christmas prepping, for Christmas cleaning prepping. Yeah, because you know the surfaces have got to be clean and you can't be putting up decorations and it's dusty. You got to handle that before then. But before that, I'm gonna go into the boys' room and put their new bed sheets on. And then in Sainsbury's, they've reduced like their notebooks, and like they have some lovely things. You've got like huge journals type of booklets, like £2. I got these exercise books, these three, because usually I get my exercise books for the kids in Poundland, and it's £1.50 just for one book. And these ones I got 3-pack, so yellow, blue, and this lovely pink shade. This one was £2 for all three. Don't you think I just saved like a bunch of money? Got this one as well. It says ideas, but we're gonna cover that. I've got like adhesive label. We're gonna stick that on top. This notebook was 75p, and this one was £1.20. Look how pretty that is. Look at the gold detail. Then the kids' notebooks, I don't want them to just be getting basic ones. I just, yeah, from now on I just want really nice notebooks. Like generally like going online shopping for notebooks that look pretty. Because yeah, I'm just sick and tired of the basic ones. Also, I picked up this plant for £7 in Sainsbury's. I went to a dentist appointment, and at the train station I get off to go to the dentist. Next to it is like a huge Sainsbury's store, and they were selling this plant for £7. Like, oh. I literally, okay. Yeah, I absolutely love it.